How to install a SmartCare single bracket. Step 1. Clean the surface with the alcoholic wipe. The wall has to be 100% clean, smooth, stable, free of dust, and dry. Step 2. Mark a straight line on the position where you want to install the bracket. Do not position the bracket over grout lines. Step 3. Remove the protective film. Certain structured or coated tiles can reduce the adhesiveness. In case of doubt, please contact us. Step 4. Press the bracket against the wall upright and for at least 10 seconds. Do not use it within the first 24 hours. The Auto Cosmetics SmartCare Bracket Portfolio, available in chrome, white, and black. Inserting the bottle. Position the bottle below the holder with the cap facing downwards. Click the bottle into the bracket and remove the safe lock seal. Exchanging the bottle. Pull the bottle and the key downwards along the guide rail and a new bottle can now be inserted. It takes 3 seconds to exchange the bottle. Now the SmartCare is ready to use.